Welcome back to this JSON data processor C++ project. So this is the last video of the last project of the C++ series. So till now we had seen different various functions in all these 5 parts of this particular project. So in this we'll be ending with the delete student function. So in this delete student function we have to ask the user to prompt the user to enter a student ID. Whatever he enters, we check that and we delete the that particular student. Alright, so let's see the code. First we load data as usual, and then we have a variable student ID. So we ask the user to enter the student ID, and what he enters the student ID, so it is stored in the student ID variable now. Now after that we have a vector called updated students. So this updated student stores only the ones with the with the matching student ID, so it is which is being deleted. Now we initially take the boolean found as false, saying it is not found. Whatever the student ID has been entered, it is not found. Then we iterate to each and every student from the student vector, and then we check if the student ID, whatever the user has entered, is matching with the actual student ID of that particular in that particular vector. If it is matching, then we push it to the updated students. If it is not matching, then we push it to the updated students. If it is matching, then we don't push it to the updated students. Simple. And then we change the found equal to true. Like if it is not matching, then we take in this case it is for not matching. If it is matching, then we say found equal to true. Now if it is not found, then we say no student ID with this, no student found with this ID. If it is matching, then we open the file, and then we update a JSON with only the updated students. We update a JSON file, whatever we had, in the previously we updated only with the updated students. So with the ones that is student ID which is not matching, so the one which match, it's deleted now. Then we say student with ID, whatever is deleted successfully. Now let me run the program. So my option is delete a student with ID 5. Alright, so student ID with ID is like ID 5 is deleted. So now if I view all students, only 4 students should be there. So you can see 4, 3, 2, 1. The 5th one is deleted. So yeah, let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood this project properly. If you have any doubts, then let me know in the comments below. And you can practice all these problems in the CodeChef platform, so give this a try. If you want to practice more such problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef. So yeah, the test case is passed, and thank you guys. Thank you so much. That's it for this video. That's it for the C++ project as well. Thank you.